Authentic Malabar chicken biryani with boiled eggs, Iftar and Ramadan special, easy and affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, an authentic Malabar chicken biryani with boiled eggs, perfect for iftar during the holy month of Ramadan. This recipe is not only delicious but also affordable and beginner-friendly. So, let's dive into the world of aromatic spices and mouth-watering flavors. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest recipes. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this mouth-watering Malabar chicken biryani with boiled eggs. Don't worry, everything is easily available at your local grocery store. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups basmati rice. 2. 500 grams chicken, cut into pieces. 3. 4 boiled eggs. 4. 1 cup thinly sliced onions. 5. 1 cup yogurt. 6. 2 large tomatoes, chopped. 7. Half cup cooking oil. 8. 1/4 cup ghee, clarified butter. 9. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 10. Half cup chopped mint leaves. 11. Half cup chopped coriander leaves. 12. 4 to 5 green chilies, slit. 13. 2 teaspoons biryani masala. 14. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 15. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 16. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 17. 4 to 5 cloves. 18. 4 to 5 green cardamom pods. 19. 2 to 3 bay leaves. 20. Salt to taste. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. To start off, let's marinate the chicken. In a large mixing bowl, add the chicken pieces, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, biryani masala, and salt. Mix everything well and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. This step ensures that the chicken absorbs all the flavors. Step 2. Preparing the rice. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the rice. Rinse the basmati rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and add the rice. Step 3. Cooking the chicken. Heat oil in a deep pan, add cumin seeds, cloves, green cardamom pods, and bay leaves. Let them splutter, releasing their aromatic flavors. Now, add the sliced onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Once the onions are caramelized, add the marinated chicken to the pan. Cook on medium heat until the chicken is almost cooked through. This will infuse the chicken with the spices and create a rich base for our biryani. Step 4. Layering the biryani. Now comes the exciting part, layering our biryani. In a separate pot, spread a layer of partially cooked rice at the bottom. Next, add a layer of the partially cooked chicken with its gravy. Sprinkle chopped mint leaves, coriander leaves, and slit green chilies on top. Finally, drizzle ghee over the top layer. This will add a rich and buttery flavor to our biryani. Step 5. Dum cooking. Now, it's time for the dum cooking, a slow cooking method that allows the flavors to meld perfectly. Cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Step 6. Adding boiled eggs. While the biryani is cooking, let's not forget about our boiled eggs. You can add a special touch by lightly frying the boiled eggs in a pan with a sprinkle of salt and red chili powder. These eggs will be a delightful addition to our Malabar chicken biryani. Step 7. Final presentation. And there you have it, our delicious Malabar chicken biryani with boiled eggs is ready. The aroma in the kitchen is simply irresistible. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Doesn't it look amazing? The vibrant colors and aromatic spices make it a feast for the senses. Now, it's time to enjoy this special dish with your family and friends. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Malabar chicken biryani with boiled eggs. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Wishing you all a blessed Ramadan. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much Malabar chicken biryani with boiled eggs lovers.